Hi, friends! Today we're going to practice our counting together. Do you remember how we counted from 20 to 30? Great job! Now it's time to keep going and learn the next set of numbers. This time, we're going to count from 30 all the way to 40. We'll start at 30 every time and keep counting until we reach the new number. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's count to 30, starting at 30. 30. Let's count to 31, starting at 30. 30. 31. Let's count to 32, starting at 30. 30. 31. 32. Great job! Let's count to 33, starting at 30. 30. 31. 32. 33. Nice work! Let's count to 34, starting at 30. 30. 31, 32, 33, 34. Keep it up. Let's count to 35, starting at 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Great work! Let's count to 36, starting at 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, to 36. Perfect! Let's count to 37, starting at 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Keep it up! Let's count to 38, starting at 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Almost there. Let's count to 39, starting at 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Great job! Let's count to 40, starting at 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Wow! You did it, friends! You counted all the way from 30 to 40. That was amazing! Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to count even higher. Great job!